Hi, I'm Jake. I'll create new composition using my own footage. Let's disable it for now and create new solid, call it top. Drag and drop particular effect. I should say I'm super professional motion designer. So now it's time to show my highest skill imaginable. I'm clicking on designer button to confirm that I'm truly am a designer. And I choose pre-made preset here. Yep, top part was easy. Click apply. Create new null object. Let's make it as 3D layer and open all transform properties. In particular plugin, open world transform. Hold Alt key on keyboard and click on stopwatch. Now let's maximize our timeline. Open all transform properties and link it to accordion one in null object. Set all values of emitter position to 0. And emitter size set X to 200 and Y and Z to 300. Particle size I'll change to 40 and size random set to 33. In shading tab, opacity set to 2. And finally, particular color set to white. Let's duplicate our particular layer and name it bottom. Reset particular settings. As you can guess, we'll create bottom part of our effect. Position set to 0. Particles per second set to 1000. Direction to bidirectional. Direction spread to 0. And hold Alt key on keyboard and click on stopwatch to animate Y rotation. Now we can type loop animation expression. Just type loop out, open bracket, close bracket, and click anywhere. Create a bunch of random keyframes, adding 2-3 laps of rotation. So if we look above, you'll see that we've made particles shoot in all directions on Y-axis. Decrease velocity to 25. And life of particles set to 3.3 seconds. Let's move bottom layer a bit to get to middle of animation. Life random set to 33%. Particle type to cloudlet. And cloudlet feather set to 25. Size I'll set to 10. And in size over life, let's be artistic and draw a nice curve. And in opacity over life, repeat previous curve, but it should look like a beginner is trying to follow this tutorial. Nice! Let's open shading, shoutlet for main set to on, and opacity set to 7 to give a contrast. Close all those tabs, so now it doesn't look so scary. Press U on keyboard twice to see our expressions. And in last one, type -2000. Enable top layer, and let's rotate null object to 0. Add linear wipe effect to top layer. With transition completion, we will cut part of it, which we don't want. Let's also set particles per second to 5000 and velocity to 40. And size of particles to 15. Yeah, this looks good. And back to my footage. Go to animation and choose track motion. Click on stabilize motion. And now I'm going to track my nose. Well, that was fun. Click apply and OK. Press S on keyboard to increase scale of footage. I'm getting vibes from movie It here. And for last, you need to animate the null. Decrease amount of particles so it would run faster. And just animate transform properties of null. Looks good. In music video, they had darker tones. You can adjust it with curves. I hope you cannot tell what I'm seeing here.